Well, guys, we are back out here. As you can see, we're stuck because we're driving through sugar sand. So we came out here last week before, something like that, to mulch a property that is listed for sale. There's actually a prospective buyer who might come out today. And then we get out here, and this is very rural. There's one house on this whole 300-acre preserve, and this is the road to get down there. There's a gate that's put up. There's barbed wire fencing. You can sort of see it. Oh, it's kind of dark. So I kind of stopped and I said, "Hey, what's up?" Well, the one house out here apparently put the fence up, and doesn't want anyone out here. He actually wants to buy the land, but he wants to buy it for about 1/10 of what it's worth. So made it a little bit of a headache, but we're back. So I'm gonna unload, and then hopefully the truck will start moving better. So we'll see. And then we have to drive like 2 miles down that road. So I'm gonna park the truck here and just try to skid steer down, because it gets worse the farther you go. I guess that worked. Huh? We're gonna leave the truck parked here, I guess. Actually, let me kill these lights. But we're here. Look at this road. Look at this road. You should not be able to kick a road and it sends shock waves out. But super excited to see these. Not sure if this is official survey or not, but I got a target over there. Maybe about 20 yards past that pine, the little pink one right about there somewhere, and this one. So this is what we get to mulch today. Super excited. But if I can get a hawk picking up a bunny, you know I will. So yeah. Damn. Guys, subscribe, okay, and hit the notification bell if you want. So tomorrow, I'm actually picking up a new head for this machine. It's a bigger one. It's not a Gyrotrac, it's actually an FAE. It's an FAE. Reason is this head is just, nothing wrong with it, really. But there's just some issues. But see how it's smoking? I don't know if it's showing up. Yeah, it's smoking. So there's a piece of wood stuck in there and it's smoking. But the problem is, there's also, the liner has some cracks in it and stuff. And there's a lot of dry debris behind there. So a little scared about that. And then you see that? That's hydraulic oil that's leaking off of the case drain. And I can't get it to stop. So I'm gonna switch off all the quick connects, but it's just not reliable right now. So it's fast, it's great, it's a good mulcher, but it's just not reliable. So we're gonna get the FAE. We're obviously gonna get this job done today, which is nice. So here, enjoy. Lacey's working good today. Anyways, as you can see, we're knocking it down, but I'm not pulverizing the material too much. It's all sand, as you saw. This whole place is sand. And if I delete this mulch into very small pieces, it will be one, hard to root rake, hard to clean up, but also it's just going to disappear faster. The bigger it is, it'll stay up on top, mix in with the palm a little bit, and customers should be able to drive on it, show prospective buyers the land very easily without having to worry about sand. So that's what it's going to look like roughly. We're going to let the sun come up. It's only 8 o'clock, so once the sun comes up and starts heating this stuff up and drying it out a little bit, we'll take a finish pass over it on our way out. But right here, we're at the halfway point, roughly. I probably will actually go back to that pine. Client just said, do what you want, just want to sell the land. So just opening it up for a couple prospective buyers, so they can kind of plan a little better for what they want to do out here. So it's 2.5 acres. We're at least doing an acre, which is to this tree across both lots. But I think we're going to push back a little farther, just because that's what I would do if it was my land, and that's what I was told to do. So I'm going to do it if it's my land. So let's get back to it. You know why I like the Gyrotrac? It's got such good bearings in it. It's still running, it's still spinning. I walked across an acre of land to get the tripod, which we'll show you in a second. And it still spins, which is great. Nothing against Gyrotrac. We'll get the new head in that we're picking up tomorrow. Still gonna keep this head, still gonna be working it. We're just gonna be able to do a little bit more now. We'll have 2 heads. So, I left this buffer. I'm trying to keep the camera down. Left this buffer. This is a little patch. There's a big pine tree down over here that I'm not gonna grind because I don't really want to throw a tooth. But I'm gonna mulch this real quick. This should only take a couple minutes to mulch, and then as I mulch, you're gonna see the completed work. So there's probably a couple areas I'm gonna go touch up after I'm done mulching. I just can't see or I want to do my final pass when all of the standing brush and trees and stuff are down. That way I can tie everything together. But I'm gonna go knock all this down. You're gonna love it. It looks like someone's walking by my truck over there. Let's get to work. Let's get this done and get out of here. I can yell all I want, and I don't even know if the camera's on. Is it on? Are you guys, is this being recorded still? Oh, it is. We got 37% battery left. Y'all can check it out. Looking good out here. So it's a little over, it's about 1.5 acres. Looks great. It's kind of deceiving because it's so small. But you could definitely build a house or two here. Technically it's 2 lots. It's 2 lots, so it's like a 1.25 or 1.3 or something like that each. So you could build 2 houses. It would look great. But anyway, time to take a before or an after picture now, and then load up all the way over there and head home and do something. I forget, but the GoPro's about to overheat, so thank you. Subscribe, share it to your Facebook page so your friends can see. Put a comment below what you think, what you like, what you don't like. Let us know. And then also, I'm supposed to be asking for reviews from customers. I'm really bad at that. I just kind of forget. So if you are a customer of ours and you want to leave us a review on Google, we'd appreciate it. I think it's just Tree Shop. Yeah, find us on Google. There's probably an easier way to find us, maybe on Facebook page. But anyways, we appreciate it, guys. That's forestry mulching for you. Go plop a house down right there. Peace.